Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind, dreaming of financial freedom, and the exhilarating rush of entrepreneurship? Well, buckle up and get ready to embark on an electrifying journey into the world of dropshipping. In this video, we've detailed the very secrets of how to start dropshipping with absolutely $0 in your pocket. Join us on this exciting journey as we dive into the revolutionary realm of e-commerce, where ordinary folks transform into savvy online business moguls, all without breaking the bank. No more costly inventories or bloated startup expenses. This is the ultimate guide to building a lucrative dropshipping empire from the ground up, so keep up! Content. Choose a niche. Dropshipping is an increasingly popular business model that allows entrepreneurs to start their own online stores without holding any inventory. One of the critical decisions in dropshipping is choosing the right niche, as it significantly impacts the success of the venture. Selecting a niche with high demand and limited competition maximizes the potential for profit and growth. For instance, suppose an aspiring dropshipper chooses a niche like eco-friendly products, given the rising environmental awareness and demand for sustainable alternatives. This niche could encompass reusable kitchenware, biodegradable packaging, or eco-friendly beauty products. The demand for such products would appeal to a wide audience seeking to reduce their ecological footprint. On the other hand, opting for a highly saturated niche with intense competition like generic electronics or fashion accessories could prove detrimental to a dropshipping business. In such cases, it becomes harder to differentiate from established players, leading to lower profit margins and limited growth prospects. Create a business plan. A well-crafted business plan is essential to outline the direction of the venture, identify the target market, and establish achievable financial projections. To minimize costs, selecting a free e-commerce platform is crucial. For instance, Shopify Lite and WooCommerce are popular choices that allow entrepreneurs to set up a functional online store without initial investments. Another crucial aspect of starting dropshipping with no money is finding reputable suppliers who offer dropshipping services without upfront fees. By partnering with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping, the seller can focus on marketing and customer service. One example of a dropshipping supplier that facilitates this model is Uberlo, which integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify. The entrepreneur must then create a visually appealing website, carefully curating product listings to cater to the chosen niche. Leveraging cost-effective marketing strategies like social media promotion, content marketing, and email campaigns will help attract potential customers without breaking the bank. Select a free e-commerce platform. Next, you'll need a website to showcase and sell your products. Choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify Lite, WooCommerce, or Wix. These platforms allow you to create an online store without any technical skills. Once you pick a platform, follow the simple instructions to set up your website. It's like building a house by putting bricks together. Next, customize your website to match your brand and niche. Think of your brand as your store's personality. If you sell handmade jewelry, make sure your website looks elegant and artsy. Use colors and images that represent your products and what you stand for. Imagine you are painting a picture that tells customers who you are and what you offer. By setting up a website and customizing it, you'll make a strong first impression on visitors. Just like a warm smile welcomes people into your home, a beautiful and user-friendly website invites customers to explore your products and buy from your online store. Partner with dropshipping suppliers. Starting a dropshipping business involves partnering with suppliers who offer dropshipping services without upfront fees. These suppliers will handle the inventory and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. For instance, imagine you want to sell fashion accessories online. You find a dropshipping supplier that offers a range of trendy earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. After setting up your free online store, you add these products to your inventory. When a customer buys a piece of jewelry from your store, you forward the order details to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. You don't need to purchase and store inventory in advance, reducing your upfront costs. By collaborating with dropshipping suppliers, you can kickstart your business without breaking the bank and gradually grow your venture as profits start rolling in. Optimize for SEO. When running an online store, it's crucial to ensure potential customers can find your products easily. One effective way to achieve this is through search engine optimization. SEO helps your store show up higher in search engine results like Google, Bing, or Yahoo, making it more likely for people to discover and visit your website. To optimize your store for SEO, start with simple steps like choosing relevant keywords related to your products. For instance, if you sell handmade soap, include phrases like natural soap or organic soap in your website content. These keywords tell search engines what your store is about, increasing the likelihood of it being displayed when someone searches for those terms. Additionally, make sure your website is user-friendly and loads quickly. Search engines prefer websites that provide a good user experience. So, organize your products into categories and use clear, easy-to-understand navigation. List products. Listing products in your online store is a crucial step to attracting potential customers. First, you need to connect with suppliers who agree to ship products directly to customers on your behalf. Once you've formed partnerships with these suppliers, it's time to add their products to your store. To do this, you must write product descriptions using simple words that describe the item's features and benefits. For example, if you are selling a cozy blanket, mention its softness and warmth, creating a picture in the customer's minds of comfort during chilly nights. Don't forget to use easy-to-understand words so that everyone can comprehend what you are offering. Additionally, include clear and appealing images of the products. A photograph of a mouth-watering, juicy apple would be an excellent example of a grocery store. Remember, simple, high-quality images can draw in more customers than complex or blurry ones. By listing products with engaging descriptions and attractive images, you'll increase the likelihood of converting visitors into happy buyers. Market your store. To make your dropshipping store known to potential customers, you can use free or affordable marketing techniques. One such method is social media marketing, where you create accounts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to share engaging content and product updates with your followers. By interacting with them, you can build a loyal customer base. Content marketing is another useful approach. You can create blog posts or videos related to your products or niche, offering valuable information or tips. By sharing this content on your website and social media, you can attract visitors and establish your store as a knowledgeable source in your industry. Moreover, email marketing can be effective. Collect email addresses from interested visitors and send them periodic newsletters or promotions. This helps to keep your products fresh in their minds and encourages repeat purchases. Overall, these free or low-cost marketing strategies can significantly boost your dropshipping store's visibility and help you reach more potential customers without breaking the bank. Utilize free resources. Harnessing free resources becomes essential for gaining knowledge and expertise in dropshipping. Online forums like lively digital meeting places offer valuable insights from experienced dropshippers. For instance, Reddit's r/dropship subreddit teams with helpful discussions guiding beginners through challenges and tips. Blogs, akin to digital mentors, impart wisdom in easily digestible articles. Blogshipping experts like Shopify's blog furnish step-by-step guides on setting up stores and winning marketing tactics. Similarly, YouTube tutorials as friendly mentors deliver visual demonstrations and explanations. Channels like this one serve as treasure troves of practical dropshipping and marketing advice. Absorbing these free resources empowers novice entrepreneurs to navigate the dropshipping landscape confidently. By exploring these avenues, individuals can understand product sourcing, customer engagement, and promotional techniques. Offer great customer service. In today's competitive business world, good customer service is crucial for success. It means helping and supporting customers, building trust, and encouraging repeat purchases. Being quick and friendly when responding to inquiries is important. If a customer has a problem, a polite and timely reply shows that their needs matter. Resolving complaints effectively is also vital. Offering solutions promptly and treating customers with respect builds trust and loyalty. Personalization is another important aspect. Using customers' names and suggesting products based on their previous purchases makes them feel valued. Lastly, offering post-purchase support shows commitment to customer satisfaction. Following up after a sale and providing help if needed demonstrates care beyond the initial transaction. Start small. Starting small is a wise approach when venturing into dropshipping. It means beginning your online store with just a few products and then slowly adding more as your business grows. This strategy has several benefits, allowing you to focus on quality, learn from mistakes, and manage your resources more effectively. To illustrate, imagine you decide to start a dropshipping business selling kitchen gadgets. You choose to begin with 3 popular products like a vegetable peeler, a garlic press, and a whisk. By starting small, you can thoroughly research these items, find reliable suppliers, and ensure they meet high-quality standards. This attention to detail will help you build a reputation for providing excellent products, leading to positive customer reviews and word-of-mouth referrals. As your business gains traction and generates sales, you can reinvest the profits to expand your product range. You may add items like cutting boards, measuring cups, or other cooking utensils. This gradual expansion ensures you maintain control over your inventory, avoid overwhelming yourself, and adjust to the demands of your growing customer base. Reinvest profits. When you start selling products through dropshipping, you will earn money from each sale. Instead of spending all the money on yourself, it's a good idea to reinvest some of it back into your business. This means using the money you earn to make your business better. For example, if your online store looks plain and unattractive, you can use the money to make it look nicer and more appealing. This will make customers want to buy from your store. You can also use the money to advertise your store. By spending a little money on ads, more people will see your store and products, which can lead to more sales. Another way to reinvest is by choosing better products to sell. If you notice that certain products are selling well, you can use the money to buy more of those products to have in stock. This way, when customers order them, you can quickly send them out, which makes customers happy and more likely to buy from you again. Have you ever considered starting a dropshipping business with zero initial investment? Share your thoughts in the comments below.